An effective operations strategy is essential for any organization aiming to achieve long-term success and competitive advantage. This strategy outlines how an organization will utilize its resources, capabilities, and processes to meet customer demands, improve efficiency, and drive profitability. Developing a robust operation strategy requires a systematic approach that integrates organizational goals, market conditions, technology, and operational capabilities. Key components of an operation strategy. Key components of an operation strategy. The following are some of the key components of an operation strategy. We have alignment with business goals, understanding the market and customer needs, process design and improvement, resource allocation, supply chain management, technology integration, performance metrics and KPIs, risk management, sustainability, and social responsibility. Now, alignment with business goals. The operations strategy must be closely aligned with the overarching business objectives. And this ensures that the operations function contributes to the success of the entire organization, such as increasing market share, enhancing customer satisfaction, or improving profitability. Understanding the markets and customer needs. A deep understanding of market trends, customer preferences, and competitive forces is critical. The strategy should focus on delivering products and services that meet or exceed customer expectations in terms of quality, price, and timely delivery. Regular market research and customer feedback loops can help ensure the organization remains responsive to changing needs. Process design and improvement. The operation strategy should clearly define how business processes are structured and optimized. This includes decisions related to process flow, automation, quality control, and capacity management. Continuous improvement methodologies such as Lean or Six Sigma should be employed to identify inefficiencies and enhance operational performance. Resource allocation. The strategic allocation of resources such as labor, equipment, technology, and materials is a fundamental aspect of operations. An effective operation strategy ensures that resources are optimally utilized, minimizing waste while maximizing productivity. This requires careful planning and forecasting to balance supply and demand while avoiding under or overutilization. Supply chain management. A well-designed supply chain is crucial for executing an operation strategy. This includes decisions on sourcing, procurement, logistics, and inventory management. Building strong relationships with suppliers and ensuring supply chain resilience can significantly improve the organization's ability to respond to market fluctuations and disruptions. Technology integration. The integration of technology plays a significant role in optimizing operations. Advanced manufacturing systems, data analytics, enterprise resource planning, ERP systems, and artificial intelligence can enhance decision-making, automate routine tasks, and provide real-time insights into operational performance. Incorporating the latest technological advancements into the operation strategy can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance customer experiences. Performance metrics and KPIs. Clear, measurable performance indicators are essential to track the success of the operation strategy. Key performance indicators should align with business goals and monitor critical aspects of operations, such as cost efficiency, quality, on-time delivery, and customer satisfaction. These metrics help identify areas for improvement and ensure that the strategy is on track. Risk management. Operations are exposed to various risks such as supply chain disruptions, changes in demand, regulatory changes, and technological failures. An effective operation strategy should include a risk management framework that anticipates potential changes and outlines mitigation strategies. This could involve diversifying suppliers, implementing contingency plans, or building operational flexibility to adapt to changing circumstances. Sustainability and social responsibility. In today's business environment, sustainability is increasingly becoming a key consideration in the operation strategy. This includes minimizing environmental impact, promoting ethical labor practices, and contributing to the well-being of local communities. A sustainable approach not only enhances corporate reputation, but can also lead to cost savings through energy efficiency, waste reduction, and better resource management. Steps in developing an operation strategy. Following are some of the steps in developing an operation strategy. We have first, assessing the current state of operations, defining clear strategic objectives, evaluating external factors, developing operational tactics, allocating resources, implementing and monitoring, reviewing and adjusting. Assessing the current state of operations. And before formulating a new operation strategy, it is important to conduct a thorough assessment of the current operational capabilities, processes, and resources. This involves identifying strengths, weaknesses, bottlenecks, and inefficiencies, data collection, stakeholder interviews, and performance analysis, and provide valuable insight into areas requiring improvement. Defining clear strategic objectives. Now, the next step is to now define the strategic objectives for the operations function. This should be aligned with the overall business strategy and should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart, should be smart. Now, examples include reducing production cost by 10%, improving customer delivery time by 15%, or increasing product quality by reducing defect rates. Evaluate external factors. Understanding external factors such as market dynamics, competition, and technological advancement is essential. This step involves conducting a SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats analysis, to evaluate how external conditions might impact the operation strategy. For example, shifts in consumer behavior or advancement in automation technologies can influence the strategy. Develop operational tactics. And once strategic objectives are defined, specific tactics and initiatives need to be developed to achieve these goals. This could include process redesign, supply chain optimization, improvements in new technologies, or workforce training. Each tactic should have clear timelines, responsible parties, and measurable outcomes. Allocating resources. A successful operation strategy requires the careful allocation of resources to support the defined objectives and tactics. This may involve budgeting for new equipment, hiring additional staff, investing in technology, or upgrading facilities. Resource allocation should be based on priority, ensuring that the most critical initiatives are funded first. Implement and monitor. After developing the strategy and allocating resources, the next step is implementation. Now, this involves coordinating across departments, setting up communication channels, and ensuring that staff have the necessary training and tools. Regular monitoring and reporting are crucial to ensure that the strategy is progressing according to plan. Review and adjust. An operation strategy should not be static. Continuous monitoring and regular reviews of key metrics will highlight areas of success and potential adjustments. If certain tactics or processes are not delivering the expected results, the strategy should be refined to address those issues and ensure alignment with evolving business operations. Common challenges in developing an operation strategy. The following are some of the very common challenges that arise when developing an operation strategy. First, lack of alignment with business goals, resistance to change, inadequate data for decision making, supply chain disruptions. Now, lack of alignment with business goals. If the operation strategy is not aligned with the broader business strategy, it can lead to inefficiencies and missed opportunities. Ensuring that all stakeholders understand and support the overall vision is crucial, very important. Resistance to change. Employees may resist changes to established processes, especially if new technology or workflows are involved. Proper change management strategies including training and communication, are necessary to ensure smooth transitions. Inadequate data for decision making. An operation strategy based on incomplete or inaccurate data can result in poor decision making. It is important to invest in data acquisition, data collection, and analytics tools that provide real-time and actionable insights. Supply chain disruptions. Global supply chain issues can disrupt operations, affecting everything from raw material procurement to product delivery. Building flexibility and contingency plans into the operations strategy can mitigate these risks. So in conclusion, developing an operation strategy is a continuous process that requires foresight, planning, and agility. By aligning the operations function with business goals, optimizing resources, integrating technology, and measuring performance, organizations can build a competitive advantage in the marketplace. Regular reviews and adjustments will ensure that the operation strategy remains relevant and resilient, supporting long-term growth and success.